gas is started. We have Mind Music. Break quickly at the start. And on the outside comes High Energy. Tabasco comes next. Twice. Golden Eye, Far Beyond. Then followed over by Pre-Cell, while Star of Manila is the early trailer. When going along for the first turn, we have Mind Music, Viral Link, Any Hop, and in second comes Golden Eye. Alongside is High Energy. Far Beyond is down on the inside. Moving up on the outside is Pre-Cell. Twice, Star of Manila, while Tabasco now running at the tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel. We have Mind Music maintaining a length and a half lead. Twice in second. Moving up down on the inside is Far Beyond. Then followed by High Energy. Next online now is Pre-Cell, Golden Eye. Then followed by Star of Manila, while Tabasco is still running at the tail of the field. We have Mind Music, barrel length and a half. Far Beyond is down on the inside as they swing for home. Mind Music followed now by Far Beyond on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. And it's still Mind Music followed by Far Beyond in second, and on the outside comes Twice with about 25 meters. It's all Mind Music, Far Beyond, Twice.
Clear nga tayo ron sa ating race number 3. It's 4, 1, 6, 5, and 2. That's Mind Music doing 125.6 para sa distansyang 1,300 meters with cuttings of 7.5, dalawang 24.5 at 29 yung kanyang dating. That's Jackie RC Basco on board Mind Music.